What's up, YouTube? As you can see, got everything back together. There's the 10s. There's the Skar 1500 watt. The RP 1500D. I think you can see that. Then I got my LC2 hooked up. All to my factory head unit. You know me, I mean, yes, I need to put some zip ties on this, but if you know me, I don't have wires all over the place because that's a pet peeve of mine. So everything is nice and tucked, hidden. This right here is a piece that I had built from the factory subunit that used to be over there to kind of follow the contours over there so I can map my amps to it. Yes, it's dirty. I probably shouldn't play this because I know I'm gonna get dinged on it, and I don't have anything really just bass boosted or anything like that, because this setup right here is really just for a daily.
Got the police on red alert, coming down hard, beating sounding like a concert. Shit, we get up, got everything sounding fine now. Killing them, you don't like my real, you ain't really know. I go home and change my shoes and come back on suspend on one. Me and I real low from the Jeep and my tab rattle, blow my mirror shake, it can't believe it. I hot boy, in a Chevelle, big pop boy.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Later.